Cameron Brothers is a little unique in Washington because we're very traditional on how we deal with our cattle. We drive them on a cattle drive down the county roads, and it takes lots of family and friends to be able to do that properly. Centerville is located in south central Washington in the Klickitat Valley, which is on the plateau above the Columbia River. We brought them home today, which is about a 15-mile, 2-day trek. And then we process the calves, which means wean them, inoculate, take care of anything that needs taken care of. We then go to the Simcoe Mountains, which is north of Goldendale. We generally get to see friends and neighbors pass through the cattle drive in their cars on their way to work or to field work. We also get to pass by homesteads that have been here for well over 200 years. We get to see the one-room school in Warwick. So as we are driving the cattle down the road, there is some downtime to just reflect on the beauty of where you're at and the beauty of what you're actually getting to do as your daily job. So cattle drives are very hard work, but it's also very satisfying to be able to take care of the cattle in a very traditional way.